learn a turn called setenta, which looks completely crazy, but if you know how to do vacila and para ti para mí, that's all the turn is. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So to get the feel for it, if we do a one-arm version, we're gonna do vacila, 1, 2, 3, and we're just gonna walk for 5, 6, 7. If you're practicing facing a mirror, adding the walk to the vacila portion of setenta is gonna leave you with the follows almost facing the mirror, leads back almost facing it. So when we practice the single arm version, we wanna end up clocked in that same way. The next part of setenta is just pa ti pa mi, but because we're starting from this orientation, it's going to feel a little foreign compared to how we learned it, perhaps via a smash hit online course that goes over not just turns, but all the fundamentals of casino, which was more horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So before you worry about complicating things, adding in the second arm, you can get a feel for doing pa ti pa mi from this new angle by practicing a single arm version with the leads back to the mirror, follow facing it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Vacila, 1, 2, 3. Walk, 6, 7. Pa ti pa mi. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I want to set up the turn just like vacila. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And to two-handify it, I'm going to look with my right hand for her free hand when she's coming by. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that hand is going in a hammer lock. The lead's left hand, I want to make sure that I can bring it down in front of my belly. So we're going to go 1, 2, hammer lock, bring the arm down, and we want to be leads facing away from whatever was forward in your practice, and the follows are facing almost all the way forward. And from there, it's just the para ti para mi that we practice, but we've got an extra arm to account for. So for 1, 2, 3, the arms are going to be back to even again. And I'm just going to bring up my right hand, 5, 6, let the left hand break and then catch it. And I'm going to bring up the left hand, 1, 2, let the right hand go, and then bring it to my side on 5, 6, 7. So from the other angle, we've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Look for the hammer lock. Walking, 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 then 1, 2, 3, right arm up, 5, 6, 7, left arm up, right one breaks, and then 5, 6, 7. From there's about 6,000 variations of setenta, some of which will go on this intermediate casino playlist. And for all the fancy turns I'm able to learn and a whole lot more, my upcoming course, Casino Next Steps, is available for pre-order, and the first 100 people can get it for just 50 bucks. If you still need some basics like vacila and pa ti pa mi, which we use to learn this turn, those are covered in Casino Fundamentals or this beginner playlist right here.